Hey there, photography lovers. Ready to dive into the world of sleek, compact cameras that pack a punch? Today we're talking about the brand new Fujifilm X100 VI, the sixth iteration in Fujifilm's beloved X100 series. Known for its retro charm, superb image quality, and all-around versatility, this camera has a lot to live up to, especially considering the legacy of its predecessors. So, whether you're a street photographer, a travel enthusiast, or just someone who loves capturing everyday moments with style, stay tuned because this camera might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's kick things off with the design. At first glance, the Fujifilm X100 VI looks like a classic film camera from the golden days of photography. It's got that timeless, retro design that the X100 series is famous for, and it's dressed in a sleek, matte black finish that screams sophistication. But don't be fooled by its vintage appearance. Beneath that exterior lies a ton of modern technology. The camera is compact, measuring just 5x3 x 2.1 inches and weighing in at a mere 1.1 pounds. That makes it incredibly portable, perfect for those who are always on the move. One of the standout features of this camera is its build quality. Fujifilm has used high-quality materials, giving it a premium feel in the hand. The metal dials and levers on the top plate are a nod to the past, offering a tactile experience that's rare in today's digital age. These controls are not just for show, though. They provide quick and easy access to essential settings like shutter speed and exposure compensation, allowing you to make adjustments on the fly without diving into menus. And with the option to make the camera weather-resistant, you can take it just about anywhere without worrying about the elements. Now let's talk about the heart of the X100 VI, its sensor and processor. Fujifilm has equipped this camera with a 40.2 megapixels APS-C X-Trans CMOS5HR sensor paired with the powerful X Processor 5. This combination delivers incredible image quality with rich details, vibrant colors, and excellent dynamic range. The sensor's improved pixel structure means it captures light more efficiently, resulting in cleaner images even in low-light conditions. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or at dusk, the X100 VI ensures your photos are nothing short of spectacular. The X Processor 5 is a beast when it comes to performance. It's 3 times faster than its predecessor, allowing for quicker image processing and faster overall operation. This means you can shoot continuously at high speeds, with the camera keeping up without breaking a sweat. The faster processing also benefits the camera's autofocus system, making it more responsive and accurate, even when tracking fast-moving subjects. With 425 phase detection points, the autofocus system is incredibly versatile, capable of locking onto your subject in a fraction of a second. Moving on to the lens. The X100 VI comes with a Fujinon 23mm f2 lens, which is equivalent to 35 mm on a full-frame sensor. This focal length is ideal for street photography, portraits, and everyday shooting. The lens features an updated optical design with 2 aspherical elements, which help reduce spherical aberrations and distortion, ensuring your images are sharp and clear from edge to edge. The f2 aperture allows for beautiful background blur, making your subject stand out with that dreamy bokeh effect. But that's not all. The X100 VI also includes a built-in 4-stop ND filter, which is perfect for shooting in bright conditions or when you want to use slower shutter speeds for creative effects. And if you ever feel the need to get closer to your subject, the camera's digital teleconverter offers 1.4x and 2x settings, giving you the equivalent of 49mm and 70mm focal lengths. This added flexibility makes the X100 VI a versatile tool for a wide range of shooting scenarios. One of the unique features of the X100 VI is its advanced hybrid viewfinder, which combines both optical and electronic viewfinders into one. The optical viewfinder gives you a clear, lifelike view of your scene, perfect for those who prefer the traditional shooting experience. On the other hand, the electronic viewfinder provides a more modern approach, offering a 3.6 nm OLED display with all the information you need for precise composition. You can even overlay the electronic viewfinder onto the optical viewfinder for the best of both worlds, giving you more control when manually focusing. The camera also features a 3.0-inch tilting touchscreen with
It's been with me
1.62
for so
millimeter
long
dots,
now. It was the
allowing
camera
for
that I
easy
used to take
composition
the first
from
shots
different
of my
angles.
son when he was born.
Whether you're
But it's also
shooting
the
from a
camera
low
that I've
perspective
taken
or holding the
to
camera
well
above
over
your head,
300 weddings
the
in my
tilting
career,
screen
and
makes it easier to
also
frame your
on
shot.
every holiday that I've
Plus,
ever
the
been on.
touchscreen functionality lets you
It's
navigate
been a little
menus and
while
review
since
images with
the
just a tap
introduction
or
of
a
the
swipe.
X100V.
But the X100 VI isn't just about stills. It's also a capable video camera. Thanks to the powerful sensor and processor combo, this camera can record in 6.2K at 30p with 10-bit color depth. This means your videos will have exceptional detail and color accuracy, making them perfect for high-quality productions. If you prefer 4K, the camera offers an HQ mode that oversamples 6.2K footage to produce stunning 4K output. For those who love slow motion, the X100V can shoot in 4K at 60p or in full HD at up to 240p, giving you plenty of creative options. And of course, no Fujifilm camera would be complete without its legendary film simulation modes. The X100 VI offers 20 different modes, including the latest Reala Ace, which reproduces the look of classic Fujifilm films. Whether you're a fan of the vibrant colors of Velvia, the soft tones of Provia, or the contrasty look of classic chrome, there's a film simulation mode to suit every style and mood. These modes allow you to experiment with different looks in camera, so you can get the perfect shot without spending hours in post-processing. In today's digital age, connectivity is key, and the X100 VI doesn't disappoint. With built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, you can easily transfer your images to your smartphone or tablet for quick sharing on social media. The camera also supports Frame.io camera-to-cloud integration, allowing you to upload your photos and videos directly to the cloud for review or collaboration. This feature is especially useful for photographers and videographers working on tight deadlines, as it streamlines the workflow and saves valuable time. Other features worth mentioning include the single SD card slot, which supports UHSI cards for fast read and write speeds, and the NPW126 battery, which provides approximately 310 shots per charge when using the electronic viewfinder, or 450 shots when using the optical viewfinder. While the battery life is decent, it's always a good idea to carry a spare, especially if you plan on shooting for extended periods. So, is the Fujifilm X100 VI worth the hype? Well, if you're looking for a compact, stylish camera that delivers stunning image quality and offers a range of creative features, then the answer is a resounding yes. The X100 VI builds on the success of its predecessors while adding some significant upgrades, making it a worthy choice for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. Whether you're capturing the hustle and bustle of the city streets or simply documenting your everyday life, the X100 VI is a camera that will inspire you to see the world in a whole new light. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more camera reviews and photography tips. Until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.